Hello, MFC brothers and sisters. We're in MFC Rome. Yeah, we're with MFC Rome now in the Vatican, at the top of the Vatican, the roof deck. And it's the 19th here in Italy still. And we want to update you on different things happening in community, Missionary Families of Christ. We just had two conferences, one in the US and another one in Fatima. So blessed to be able to really be with our brothers and sisters from different parts of the world. And it's just a reminder that we should not stop in our evangelization. Let's walk. We should not stop in truly being missionary families of Christ. So I encourage you for the first part, maybe this will be a three-part message over the next two 19th dates. But first is to really be missionary families, to encourage your kids to come back to community. Alam ko, over the past 40 plus years, there can be different things that have happened, maybe different things that they experience that they're not active anymore, but it's time to encourage them, to inspire them to come back to MFC, to community life. So talk to them, tell them why you go to conferences, tell them about your passion for not only the Lord but for community as well. And that will be the start of truly being missionary families, because it's in our name after all, and we should truly live out our name in our own lives as well. So that's it for now. God bless you all.